Hi, and welcome to Learnyst. In this video, I will walk you through that how you can send marketing emails to all of your users. Now, emails are really crucial, and these are one of the best way to send notification to your user about any updates, any events, or any new course that you have released. And there are so many events that you can work through with that. So let me walk you through that how you can send emails right within the Learnyst. You don't need to buy any other platform or any other services. It all is integrated right in the platform. Let me give you a small tour of that. Go ahead and click on your marketing section. In the marketing section, you're going to see Messenger. Messenger is where we collaborate and accumulate all of the things which are related to sending any message to the user, whether that's a push notification, that's an email, or any other way. This video is all about sending the emails. Remember, there are two types of email that we send, the system email and the marketing email. System emails are something like a user has enrolled, or user has purchased the course, or there was a query being raised on the platform. So all of these are system emails. By the way, you can go ahead and click on the system emails. You can check all of them. You can customize them, add in your flavor, add in your more text, whatever you wish. You just have to click on it and just change this one. So click on this and there we go. You have all the data. Click on edit template and you can just work with that. In this video, we are not talking about system email, but rather talking about the marketing email, the emails that you control what you want to send. Click on marketing email. I do have some of the emails already on the platform which I have sent. I will walk you through with how you can click and create a new campaign or new email. Click on create campaign and add the title. I will just call this one as Learnyst demo email. Emails would be good or email is good. And just click on the save and next. I'll just move it a little bit here so that we can see all of this up here. Click on save and next, and this is where you select. Now, do you want to send the emails to all of the user or you want to send it to the groups only? I highly recommend to always use groups because this actually selects a particular targeted audience and you can customize your message according to that. I have already created a couple of groups. I will walk you through in another separate video that how you can create a separate group. Best part about group is they are auto-updated group. Any user who fulfill the criteria and the filtration process of the group that you have added, they automatically gets into the group. So I'll click on the group and I do have this cohort web dev one. So all of my paid users of the cohort are here, and then click on this compose email. So once you click on the compose email, this is where we give you a lot of templates that what do you want to send the users. We are constantly adding and updating the templates, and yes, there are a lot of them, whichever you want to use. The best part is it's not about just using the templates. You can create your own templates and save them in the My Templates, or you can start building from the scratch. Let's choose the scratch one. Although these are really beautiful ones, you should be picking them up. Click on build from scratch and this is where you see this. So the first step is to choose a subject line. Subject lines are really important. I highly recommend to use AI and LLM platforms like ChatGPT and stuff to figure out not to write your subject emails, but to figure out whether they will land up in the spam or not. This is a good advantage of this. So I'll just say another live class is on this Saturday. And then just forget about this portion and come back up here. This is the portion where you entirely craft and draft your email. For example, you want to send an email to some of the users, but you want to greet them with their personal name. So go ahead and say hi, and then a space, and then I want to add the username. This is where you click up on this button which says variables. I hope you can see that. This is where you see them. Yeah, here it is, variables. We provide you all the possible variables with an easy to add and inject method. So go ahead and say that, hey, in this place, I would say that learner's name. Just click on this one, and this adds the learner name automatically. So at the time of the preview, it will just say Jack, but it will not say Jack at the time of sending the email. For example, you're sending an email to me, so it will say, hey Tesh, hey Shankar, hey Ranjan. So all of these people will be sent to on that. Now after that, go ahead and craft your email. So go ahead and write your message here. And once you have written all the message and stuff, don't worry, all these things like company, state and everything, these are all variables and will automatically pick these variables from your school information. So nothing to be worried on your side. Once you're done this, then you can go ahead and click on sending the email at the bottom up here, or you can just click on the preview, save this template if you're sending them again and again. Check the previews. You can also check the preview on the mobile, that how it will look and all of that. Once you click on the send email, it's not going to send it directly. We highly recommend to send the test email to yourself. And remember, the test email actually takes a little time, not much, but of course there are queues of emails that are being sent. So have little patience, and this is going to send you all the test emails. So go ahead and add your emails up here. Now you can also schedule your email for later whenever you want them to start triggering, and you can also send it immediately as well. Once you send this, go ahead and click on send test email. Right now it's selected as test, but if you click on this, this is going to send it to all of your user. And that is it. How simple it is to send all the emails to the entirety of the users without the need of any third-party elements. We take care of all the things regarding emails and all of your messages. That's it for this video, and surely we're going to catch up in another such video.